Today on the Energy and Joy Collection, we're going to go on a journey of gratitude. So take a breath in through your nose and exhale. Relax your shoulders, get comfortable. It's important you're comfortable either sitting down straight up or lying down on your bed. Take another deep breath in and release. Relax your face, your neck, your shoulders. One more breath in and release. Think about a bright light coming from the top of your head and oozing down through your brain, over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth and chin, down your neck, down your shoulders, down your chest through your heart, into your stomach. Let this white light swirl through your stomach. Let it go deeper still, oozing down into your pelvic area, through your hips, your bum, down your thighs and the back of your quads, down your knees, your calves, into your ankles and your feet, and all the way into the earth. Let that white light scoop up all that energy of the earth and feel it vibrating all the way back up through your feet, into your legs, your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your neck, your head, all the way out through your head. Take a deep breath in and relax. Imagine yourself sitting in the middle of a field of green grass. It's nice and cool. You can feel the sun beating on the side of your face. Take a moment and put both of your hands on your eyes. Think about what these eyes allow you to see. Thank them for the colors, for the love that you witness, for the rain you see dropping from the sky, from the clouds that go by, to the meadow that you're currently sitting in, and all that green, beautiful grass and that blue sky above, and that sunshine, that bright light. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for these eyes that were given to me. I didn't ask for them. I was gifted this sight, this vision. Now place your hands on your lips and just touch them. How do they feel? These lips that allow you to use words, to taste, this mouth. It allows us to speak, to be heard. We were gifted this sense of taste. We didn't ask for it. Take a moment and thank your sense of taste, for the ability to taste, to speak, to kiss, to smile. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a moment and touch your ears and down your neck a little bit. Touch both of those ears. And think about everything you have the gift of hearing. You were given this gift of hearing. You didn't ask for it. Take a moment and think of the things like a child's laughter or the rain on a rooftop, or maybe the wind blowing in the trees, the ocean crashing, someone saying I love you, you saying I love you. Take a moment to thank Source, Energy, God for your hearing. What a gift. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a moment and put your hands on your heart. Feel it beating. Think about how much work your heart does all day, 24/7, without you thinking about it. At one point in time, you were gifted this heartbeat. Wow. You didn't ask for it. There was a spark and you were gifted a heartbeat. Take a moment to breathe deep into your heart and thank your heart. Because as long as you live, your heart beats. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a moment and put your hand on your stomach and one on your heart. Bow your head slightly with a smile on your face and notice this body that has been with you since you were born, every day, every night, all night, nonstop. What this body gives you, what this amazing human skin, this flesh, does for you every day. What a gift. Breathe into your body. Say thank you to your body. My body. Thank you. Thank you for carrying me every day. Thank you for reminding me of things to pay attention to with the urges of pain or pleasure. If something's sore, maybe focus your attention on that, whether it's your knees or your hips, maybe your neck. Focus a little bit of love there with your hands, with your mind, and just send love, send healing, and thank your body. Thank that knee that's painful. Say, I love you. Thank you. Take a moment and come back to that meadow. Put your hands on your heart and your stomach. And with a soft smile on your face, we're going to have a little bit of silence. I'll be here. We'll be in silence, and I'll remind you when it's time to stop thinking of everything that you're grateful for. Small things, big things, this body, these eyes, this moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Here we go. I am grateful for. Allow your mind and your heart to wander. Now it's time to come back to this moment. Let's all take a big deep breath in and exhale. Living in gratitude, finding the greatness, the gifts in whatever happens in life is extremely powerful for your energy and your joy. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Erin from EmBody. Have a beautiful day.